Today, we will learn how to trace uppercase and lowercase alphabet letters. Let's trace the uppercase letter Q. Q is for quest. Q is for quack. Next we have the lowercase letter q. Q is for queen. Now let's trace the uppercase letter R. R is for ring. R is for rack. Now let's trace the lowercase letter r. R is for robot.